Again, take the thread in both hands so that you can control it. Slip inside the first guide and on the outside over the top of the second. Still holding your thread in both hands. Comes down the slit as the arrow indicates, around the bottom again as the arrow indicates, around the back of your take-up lever, again down the slit, then the thread is hooked behind the first needle guide. Make sure that it stays inside the slit, and then through the second needle guide. This machine is equipped with a semi-automatic needle threader. It is situated here and is simply pushed down all the way. The thread is then hooked around this guide and placed into the two grooves on either side of the needle eye. Simply release upwards and you now have a loop of thread through the eye of the needle. Let's have a close-up look at all of that. The needle threader is pushed down all the way. This allows that tiny wire hook to hook the thread through the needle. Take your thread and hook around the first guide. Then in between the two grooves on either side of the eye of the needle, pull back by releasing the needle threader upwards. Use your tailor's awl to pull that loop through, and you have your needle threaded.